magandang buhay sa lahat. Wow, Liza Soberano is the cover star of the day. Sa numero, Netherlands, Digital. Captured by Shira Luna, hairstylist by Renz Pangilinan. Numero Netherlands Digital Caption. One of the most sought actors in the Philippines, Liza Soberano. She made her US acting debut in Focus Features film, Lisa Frankenstein, this February. In addition to her work on screen, she is an ambassador for Save the Children. Her advocacy and philanthropic work have led to significant advancement of children's rights in the Philippines justice system. Grabe ang photoshoot ng nag-iisang pinakamagandang mukha sa Pinas at sa buong Asia. More blessings pa sa mabait at matulungin na si Liza Soberano. Samantala, Enrique Hill, still in Taiwan, busy pa ang King mag-shoot sa kanyang second movie.
Alright!